I posted a video titled How I Saved My Husband's Life. The reason I posted that video because I wanted everyone to know how I did that. I want everyone to be healthy and everyone to be perfect, but just in case it is there, if anybody needs it. Well, after I saved my husband's life, who was, admitted to hospital with kidney infection so bad that expected him to have kidney failure anytime, sepsis, which is blood poisoning, and at the same time, with all of that, he had pneumonia with fluid in his lung. They basically expect him to go any moment. He was just too sick. But I used my mind, which I described exactly how I did in the video, how I saved my husband's life. And in 24 hours, his kidney infection was gone 100%. In a day and a half, his sepsis and his pneumonia was gone. And the fluid was absorbed and never had to drain the fluid. And like I said, you should see the doctors and the nurses' faces. When that happened, I told that story to every one of my clients with details how I did that, which I described in that video. Well, what happened just 2 weeks ago? My client from England, he found out that his father had sepsis and he was in hospital. Basically, they put him in a special ward for people who don't make it. And what he did, he went and watched that video. And he applied exactly what is on that video. Well, to make the long story short, in 4 days, his father was going home. He was fine. In the meantime, when he was getting better, they moved him to another ward. And when he was going home, a doctor came to him and he said, "We didn't expect you to make it. That is a miracle." Well, he is now back at work, running his hotel. You know, when you think about it, this is beyond priceless. You know, I healed my own incurable disease of my nervous system that I had for 6 years. I'm perfectly healthy for 15 years now. I saved my husband's life, which is a completely different level because my husband is my soulmate. And saving your soulmate life, it's beyond priceless. And now learning that story of my husband and that video saved another man's life. My client, by using that knowledge, saved his father's life. Do you know what is the best part of this? That knowledge is transferable. I can teach this to other people. And they, by using their mind, they can do incredible things. It is them they do that. I only teach how to do it. So your power, the power of your mind goes beyond anything you can imagine. And what it worked here for health, it works in every area of your life the same way. Do you know what is the very interesting thing? I tell people so many times, I tell my clients so many times, feel more love, feel more love, feel more love. take the intensity of love beyond what you have ever experienced. And that video that is there teaches you how to do that. Feel more love, feel more love, feel more love. Bring the intensity out, up, up, up. Well, the point is, I told this to my client so many times, the one who saved his father's life. I told him so many times, feel intensity of love, feel love more, 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 more. And he understood that, but did he really? He told me something fascinating. Amanda, for the first time in my life, I understand what it means to take the intensity of love up. By saving my father's life, for the first time in my life, he said, I felt love beyond anything I could ever felt before. Think about it. When we take the intensity of love to a completely new level, we take our entire life, everything in our life, to a completely new level. So, I wish you with all my heart that everybody is healthy, everybody is happy, everything is going perfectly for you. But just in case, the video is here for you. How I saved my husband's life. Thank you for watching and have absolutely magical day.